Hello students, Master Cadre Subject English. You all are welcome in our YouTube channel Preparation with RJ. Students, from today onwards, we are going to start MCQ series. Our today MCQ series topic is linguistic. Let's start question first. What is study of meter, rhythm, intonation of a poem called as? Option A, prosody, B, scansion, C, allegory, D, assonance. The answer is A, prosody. Question second. What is the word for a play on words? Option A, pun, B, haiku, C, simple, D, metaphor. The answer is A, pun. Question third. What is a poem called whose first letter of each line spell out a word? Option A, alliterative, B, acrostic, C, epic, D, haiku. The answer is B, acrostic. Question fourth. A poem with no meter or rhyme. Option A, lyric, B, narrative, C, free verse, D, none of the above. The answer is C, free verse. Question fifth. A poem that tells a story with plot, setting and characters. The option A, lyric, B, narrative, C, free verse, D, none of the above. The answer is B, narrative. Question 6. Using words or letters to imitate sounds. Option A, alliteration, B, onomatopoeia, C, simile, D, metaphor. The answer is B, onomatopoeia. Question 7th. A comparison of unlike things without using a word of comparison such as like or as. Option A, simile, B, metaphor, C, personification, D, haiku. The answer is B, metaphor. Question 8. Applying human qualities to non-human things. Option A, alliteration, B, personification, C, onomatopoeia, D, simile. The answer is B, personification. Question 9th. Which is an exaggeration? Option A, haiku, B, prose, C, alliteration, D, hyperbole. The answer is D, hyperbole. Question 10th. In the word friendly, ly is. Option A, allomorph, B, bound morpheme, C, free morpheme, D, none of the above. The answer is B, bound morpheme. Students, if you understand this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Preparation with RJ. Also comment, like and share with your friends. If you want MCQs on a particular writer, then comment in the comment box. Thank you.